Good morning, students. Yesterday we are continuing about the tenses and how many kinds of tenses and what are the subkinds. And from that present tense, we have four kinds. And the first one is a simple present tense. Here the simple present tense represent the verb is used. The verb form is used indicates for the four types of works. So what are the four types of works we are going to see here? First one is the daily works. Next, habits and universal truth, proverbs and scientific facts, future activities. So here daily works. For example, we get up early in the morning and we do our normal chores. And next, habits. What are the habits? And the universal truth. For example, sunrise is the east. That's a universal truth. And here proverbs. We have so many proverbs and scientific facts also. And here future activities. What we are going to do in the future, like that. Next, there are some key terms are there. First one is a daily, always, usually, every day, frequently, often, sometime, every year, every morning. So these are the main keywords which is used in the some universal truth and some daily activities. And here we have some examples for the simple present tense. And here I play tennis. Means he will play the tennis in the present tense. Next, she does not play the tennis. Here you find the difference. Here, for example, here is a subject and here verb and what is she going to do, object. And here subject is there and here V1 plus S form is there. Next, object and again. So here main is a subject and next to verb form and the next is the object. Here there is not mentioned the time because he play the tennis and she does not play the tennis. So like that. Here in a simple present tense we have the questioning forms also. Here does he play the tennis? Here does is a question and here he is a subject and here play. Here does is a subject and here verb form and next object. And here the train leaves early morning at 8 a.m. This is a universal truth. For example, if you go for the bus stand, railway station, here are the certain timings for the every bus and the train. So for example, he is saying that the train leaves at every morning at 8 a.m. So here next the train does not leave at 9 a.m. because it already left in 8 a.m. So how can it leave in the 9 a.m.? So like that. When does the train usually leaves? Have you found out any key terms here? Here, usually is a key term which is used here. Already we have it in the examples. Key terms. So usually is a key term which is used here. When does the train usually leaves? Means he is asking a question for someone. What he is there is asking that when does the train is usually leaves in normal timings. So here she always forgets her purse. Again here V1 S forms and here always forgets her purse it seems. And next he never forgets his wallet. Here what he is saying, he never forget his wallet it seems. And water freezes at 0 degrees of 0 degrees. Here this is a universal truth. We all know the water freezing point of the water is 0 degrees. So this is a universal truth. The next, the earth revolves around the sun. This is also a universal truth. So once again see carefully. These are the main terms of the simple present tense, and if you understand this we can go over the further activities. And here in the further we have some positive sentence and some negative and some question sentence. So first of all see carefully and note it down in your books. We have our English homework, so please write it in that. Here in simple present tense we have positive and negative. Here in positive we have subject plus verb plus complement, means what the work we will do and what time we will do, like that. And here one more is also there, subject plus verb 1 and S forms and complement. Here what the first example here, what we can say, I study at night. Here what they are saying here, he will study at the night times it seems, and you study at night. Here what are these are the subjects. These all are the subjects, and the next these all are the verb and verb forms, and next these are all complements. First, these are the subject I, you, he, she, it, we, and next study, study and studies, is forms, and these are the es forms, and we call as a v1 s forms, and these are all the complements at night, morning, night, and night. So like that, here the sentence will be framed in the simple present tense, that is in the positive one. And the next one, here also is there subject v1 and next complements. Here subject you and they, study is a v1, and next at night is a complement. So what they are saying here, first of all, if we will speak about the person in a positive way, it will come. And then here negative one. Here I plus don't plus verb plus complement. Here what they are saying, I plus don't plus verb plus complement, and here I does not, es form here. I plus does not, verb plus complement. Here next I and you comes under what? Yes, and does, don't, and here this comes under verb forms, and studies at night as usual comes under complements. So here these are the examples for the negative one, and if you are interested, means you have to write compulsory, and you have to frame more sentence by using not only this, you can write more and more, and just I want to see all of your homeworks, and if you are interested you can send through your WhatsApp. And in yesterday's class we find out that here V is as 1, so we all, and here 1. Yesterday, if you are listening class yesterday, then you can find out as 1 mistake in there, because it's not mine, because of the writing, and here that mistake indicates that if you are listening the class, then you will send the replies. If you are not listening the class, you can't send the replies. Okay.